Which Indian city hosted the first ever BIMSTEC Youth Summit in 2025? A. New Delhi. B. Mumbai. C. Gandhinagar. D. Bangalore. Correct answer is Gandhinagar. The Department of Youth Affairs organized the BIMSTEC Youth Summit from 7th to 11th February 2025 in Gandhinagar, Gujarat. Union Minister Dr. Mansukh Mandavia inaugurated the event on 8th February 2025. The summit aims to bring together youth from BIMSTEC nations to share experiences on youth-led initiatives. The theme is Youth as a Bridge for Intra-BIMSTEC Exchange, focused on advancing regional goals and achieving SDGs by 2030. Where was the 75th anniversary celebration of the National Sample Survey (NSS) held? A. India Habitat Centre, New Delhi. B. Manekshaw Centre, New Delhi. C. Vigyan Bhavan, New Delhi. Correct answer is Vigyan Bhavan, New Delhi. The Ministry of Statistics and Programme Implementation, MoSPI, Government of India, celebrated the 75th anniversary of the National Sample Survey, NSS, at Vigyan Bhavan, New Delhi, on 7th February 2025. The event marked the beginning of a nationwide series of initiatives highlighting NSS's critical role in evidence-based policymaking, raising awareness about data-driven governance, and engaging stakeholders from diverse sectors. The celebration featured keynote addresses, expert discussions, the unveiling of Diamond Jubilee publications, and special performances emphasizing NSS's fieldwork contributions. Until which year has the Union Cabinet extended the Skill India program? A. 2024. B. 2025. C. 2026. D. 2027. Correct answer is 2026. The Union Cabinet, in a meeting held in New Delhi on 7th February 2025 and chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, has restructured and extended the Central Sector Scheme, Skill India program, till 2025-26. The Skill India mission was launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in 2015 to create a trained workforce in India to meet the needs of the industry and help in the economic development of the country. Until which date has the Union Cabinet extended the tenure of the National Commission for Safai Karmacharis, NCSK? Correct answer is 31st March 2028. The Union Cabinet, in a meeting held in New Delhi and chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, has extended the tenure of the National Commission for Safai Karmacharis for a period of 3 years till 31st March 2028. The tenure of the National Commission for Safai Karmacharis was to lapse on 31st March 2025. Who successfully tested the Helios laser weapon? A. U.S. Navy. B. NASA. C. U.S. Air Force. D. DARPA. Correct answer is U.S. Navy. The U.S. Navy successfully tested the Helios laser weapon against a drone from the USS Preble. Developed by Lockheed Martin, Helios uses a 60 kilowatts high-energy laser to neutralize unmanned aerial vehicles, fast attack craft, and missiles. It provides a significant boost to the Navy's defense capabilities. Which organization is leading the ring vaccination trial in Uganda? A. World Health Organization, WHO. B. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC. Correct answer is World Health Organization, WHO. Uganda launched a vaccination trial for the Sudan strain of Ebola on Monday, following the confirmation of an outbreak. This marks the sixth time Uganda has faced this virus, for which no approved vaccine exists. The World Health Organization, WHO, supported the trial, which uses a candidate vaccine that has already passed phase 1 and 2 trials. The vaccine is being administered in a ring vaccine strategy targeting high-risk contacts. This quick response progress in pandemic preparedness and outbreak control efforts. When is World Pulses Day observed? A. 10th February. B. 15th March. C. 20th January. D. 5th April. Correct answer is 10th February. World Pulses Day 2025 is celebrated every year on 10th February. The day is celebrated as a day of recognition of pulses and their role in human nutrition, environmental well-being, and sustainable agriculture. The day was declared as World Pulses Day under the United Nations General Assembly in 2016. The year was also marked as the International Year of Pulses. Due to the huge success of this celebration, the potential of the crops were recognized and added as a goal to be achieved under the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development. After how many years did the BJP regain power in the Delhi Legislative Assembly in 2025? A. 15 years. B. 20 years. C. 27 years. D. 30 years. Correct answer is 27 years. Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Bharatiya Janata Party has returned to power in the country's capital Delhi after 27 years, trouncing Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal and his Aam Aadmi Party, AAP, in a major setback for the anti-BJP opposition. Which organization suspended the Pakistan Football Federation, PFF, in 2025? A. ICC. B. FIFA. C. AFC. D. Olympic Committee. Correct answer is FIFA. FIFA has suspended the Pakistan Football Federation due to its failure to implement necessary constitutional amendments for better governance. The federation has been under the supervision of a FIFA-appointed normalization committee since 2019, which has struggled with internal conflicts and delays. The suspension will remain until the amendments are adopted. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.